Hello and welcome back to Latina AI Lab. I am coming to you with a new tutorial and we're going to be talking about ASMR. ASMR has been around for years. People just love watching mukbangs and anything ASMR, and I literally just figured out how to make it with AI. So I am going to share with you what exactly I did to create this mukbang video. For starters, I used Flow. Flow is part of the Labs family, Google Labs family, I should say. And it is a paid service, but you can use it for free. I think you get just 5 videos a month. But if you pay for it, you get 1,000 credits. So do with that what you will. And if you didn't know, Whisk is part of Google Labs as well. So I actually generated some of the images with Whisk, but I felt like Whisk was not giving me what I needed. So I moved on to Google Gemini. And the first thing you want to do is get the image that you want to portray in your ASMR videos. And this is my avatar, my twin. And I just literally just changed her clothes. I uploaded this picture here. I then changed her to black clothes, and then I changed her to a Lululemon pink ensemble, as you see her here. And then I asked Google as well to put a platter in front of her with a burger, fries, and chicken nuggets, and a little thing of ranch and a can of soda on the side. And I emphasized that she should be picking up the burger and putting it to her mouth. And then I did the same thing again, and then I asked for it to be the chicken nugget that she was putting in her mouth. And then lastly, the french fries, as you can see here. So I downloaded all 3 pictures, all 3 photos. And today we're not going to be using Flow. We're going to be using Grok because it's free. And I think I like the results of Grok better than I did the results of Flow. And let me just show you the difference between the two. This is Flow. This is one of the ASMR videos. And I just want you to notice how she's putting the food in her mouth. It turns into a french fry. I didn't like that. Let me show you another one. Do you see the glow in her face? What the heck is that? I did not like that either. So I said, let me try Grok. So what I did was I screenshotted the images that I got from Flow. So I just went ahead and I opened them up and I screenshotted all of them and I took them over to Grok and I got these results. They're not perfect, but it's free. Then here's another one. I like that she dipped it in the sauce, in the ranch. And then the one of her drinking the actual soda was what made it like, okay, this is great. I love the results here. I just don't like that it changed the cans of soda between videos. Like here she has a red can of soda, and then here it went to this can and then to this can. But that's okay, because AI is not perfect. Here she is eating the biscuit. She looks really greedy, and I like that as well. Alright, so I'm going to show you what the prompt was to get these results. I'm going to go to image, and all you want to do... Alright, so this is the home screen of Grok. You want to go down and select image. And then right here, the paperclip, you're going to go ahead and upload your file. And you're going to do any one of these images. I'm going to do the one with the burger first. And I made it 9:16. If you want for this to be uploaded to YouTube, you will make it 16:9. Okay? So let me show you before you upload your image to Grok. You want to go here and you want to change the aspect ratio. So if you want it to be 916, you're going to click 916. If you want it to be 32, you didn't change it there. And if you want YouTube, 16:9. So let me change it back. I'm going to put 916 because that's the size of image I want. I'm going to click on the attach, which is the paper clip, upload a file, and I'm going to upload the one with the burger. Click open, and it's going to start to generate, and that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and grab my prompt, which is this one right here, I think. Command copy. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to paste it right into this box. Command V. And it actually is doing a good job without me prompting it. So if you like the results of the first video, you can go ahead and download it. So I'm going to download it. Oops, I downloaded it twice. I don't know why. And then I'm going to generate with the prompt to see the difference. And here is with the prompt. And as you can see, it's giving you sounds because the prompt focuses on their chewing motion, and the audio clearly features exaggerated, crisp chewing sounds. So that is the secret to this source. It's making sure that you tell the AI what it is you want your avatar to be doing. So I like this video. I'm going to download it, and I'm going to do the same thing with every single image. And all I'm going to do is go here to my prompt, and I'm going to change it so it can say fries. So it knows that she should be eating the fries instead of the burger. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all this again, right? Because once we go back to Imagine, it's not going to be there anymore. And we're going to do upload again. We're going to grab the one with her eating the fries. And we're going to go ahead and paste this as fast as we can. And then we're going to hit generate again. That's a bit much, but it did exactly what we wanted it to do. I'm going to download this. If you want, you can redo it. So let's hit redo and see what happens. Here's the results to the second generation of the French fries. I'm going to download this as well. I'm going to go back to Imagine. I'm going to upload the next photo. Here she's eating the chicken nuggets. So I'm going to change where it said fries. I'm going to change it to chicken nuggets. And I'm going to hit the up arrow again so I can start the generation all over again. Alright, this is new. I've never seen Grok do this before, but it's giving me an option. Which do you prefer? Do you prefer this one? Or this one? Have no idea. I think I like this one better because in this one she's grabbing 2 chicken nuggets at the same time and putting them in her mouth. So I prefer this. Alright, and I'm going to download that. And now if you wanted her to drink from the soda, you would do the same exact thing. You will come back to Gemini. You will upload the image again. You will upload this image again. You will copy this prompt here. You will put it here. You go upload the image, which is this one. And then here you will change that she is drinking the soda. So the shot emphasizes the person using their hands to, we're going to say to pick up the can of soda and bring it to their mouth. That sounds better. So let's hit generate and see what happens. So as you can see, it generated, but it has 2 sodas. What I would suggest is download this image, take it over to Canva, do that magic grab this can here, and remove it from the photo. It's that simple to fix. And then you would take the image, you would take it to Grok, and you would do the same exact thing, except you would change the prompt to say that she's drinking from the can of soda. And then if you want to bring all these videos together, you can use CapCut, you can use iMovie, you can literally do it on TikTok or TikTok Studio, any place where you can edit videos. That's where you would take it to and edit them and put them together, and there you would have a literal video that you can monetize from. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Also, do me the favor and like this video, share this video out. It's gonna help my baby channel grow. I appreciate you. Can't wait to give you another tutorial. Let me know what else you would like to learn in the AI space, and I will gladly bring that to you. I hope that this video was informative, and I will talk to you guys later.